So as we were getting this project done, I didn't think to record for a video, but it dawned on me in the process that, hey, somebody may need to see that there is a possibility to reclaiming the wild summer garden. And while this is just one of the many plots on our 3/4 of an acre homestead, I did want to show you that if you take baby steps, it is possible. So with all of this rain, this section of the property right here has just completely overgrown it. It's not the only section, but this section is one where I have several pepper plants, and I really need to get in and check on them and see if there's any peppers that need to be harvested. And I literally cannot get in there. This lantana is grown as big as a tree. And so that's a large part of what Brian is pulling out now. And something related to morning glory vine is also growing wild up in there. A bunch of other stuff too, but this is a start. So got in here about a quarter of the way, and here is one of three. Let's see. Well, there's 3 bell peppers on that one. There's about 4 peppers in here. This is just one branch of one plant. It's kind of sprawled all over, but that looks good to me. I'm loving seeing that. That's refreshing. Okay, so this is me trying my best not to get stuck, but this is a raspberry vine here, and if you don't have your raspberries trained up something, what they will do is, much like a melon or a cucumber, is where they lay down, they will put down roots. All right, like strawberries also. I guess that's better since it's a fruit as well, but they'll put down these runners. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my gloves on. I'm gonna take this runner, and there's a couple others that I came across as I was weeding that I pulled up, and I'm gonna cut them from their existing vine, and I'm just gonna plant them along the back of this fence here. This is the main raspberry vine over here. It's kind of, every time I try to put it to where I want it, it goes the way it wants to go, and I'm sure that's because of sun and nutrients. So trying to be cooperative with it. But it did send some runners over here, and this is one of those spots where it has secured itself in the ground. You can see I am lifting here, but it is in the ground. Okay, so this is close enough to the fence to where I'm just going to leave it, right? But what I'm going to do, so that it does become 2 separate plants, is I'm going to clip right about here, maybe a little bit further back. And I don't have this on anybody's authority. This is just something I'm doing. All right. All right, now I'm going to take this piece here, take it, and I'm just going to stick it through here and hope that it stays that way. Now I've gone from one plant to 2. So boom. All right, and now I'm going to continue to do that with the ones that I actually did pull because they were too far into the bed. I'm going to continue to do that around this back, and then hopefully in a couple of years we will have a full raspberry covered fence. I do need to come back through with some more of these posts here because there's 2 peppers in between this post here and that post there that are kind of just floppity flop. And for now, they only have flowers, so they're okay. But once they start to put on fruit, it's going to be too much weight on that one post. So I need to get 2 more posts out here for that purpose. And I'm probably going to, on the edge where it gets the most sun, I'm going to set out a few of our summer squash plants for the fall garden. Well, y'all, it's done. Well, it's as done as it's going to be today anyway. And you can see quite a bit of difference between when we first started and now. And so the mosquitoes have been swarming my legs and biting me through my pants. So I'm going to call it. We're going to harvest those peppers right there. I'm actually making 15 bean soup tonight, so that'll be good. And that, and then, oh, we ended up setting out a total of 3. There's one right there in between those peppers in the back, and then one over here that we actually set out, and then there was the one here that we just snipped and let it stay where it was at. So hopefully this will become a thriving raspberry patch at some point. But today it is kind of weeded and looking better than it was 2 hours ago. The following clips are Brian's directorial debut. Please enjoy. Okay, picking these peppers. Some of them are not as big as others, but hey, it's all good. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Grow big for him.